Here's how to change your phone number in WhatsApp in 2026 with the latest update. First of all, make sure your new SIM is active and you can receive SMS and calls. Now open up WhatsApp, then go to Settings, Accounts, and Change Number. Now, if you're also changing your phone, then you'll have to do this process in your older phone first so that you can back up all your chats to your new number. Now let's press Next, and on top you'll see your current number, and at the bottom, you'll need to put in your new number that you want to transfer your WhatsApp to. Now you'll get a confirmation, and here, you can choose to share your new number with all your contacts. So you can either choose all contacts or contacts with whom you have a chat active, or custom contact selection. If you want to keep your number private, then you can turn it off. Now tap on Done. And now in case the number is in the same phone, then you can automatically verify it with a missed call. You can also choose different verification methods. So we're going to press Continue and allow any pop-ups or permissions. And as soon as you verify your number, it will log you right back into WhatsApp and you'll get a pop-up saying the transfer was successful. As you can see here, all your contacts will be unharmed. So you can go to Settings and your profile, and here you'll see your new number. And that's how simple it is. Hope you found this useful, and make sure to stay tuned for more.